Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Bake My Day. Today I'm going to be doing homemade KFC. So it should be fun. It's not the same recipe obviously as KFC. It's my own mix with herbs and spices. Obviously you'll never get the same as KFC. It's not as spicy neither as KFC. So yeah, I'm going to wash my hands, get you guys set up on the tripod, and we'll go from there. So guys, got two bowls. One's going to have an egg wash in it. Just crack your egg in there. Try and not get a shell part in it. But if you do, you can always use the other part of a shell to try and get it out. Throw it away. And then the other, we're going to have our mixes in. I will leave the ingredients down below for you to go and find, or try and have a look yourself, so you can have a go. Like I say, you'll never get the ingredients the same as KFC. Obviously there's only 3 people in the whole entire world that actually know the recipe. So I'll wash this up. I just add a bit of water to my egg. Also here we got chicken drumsticks and fillets of chicken already cooked. With another tray. We'll use a plate instead. So yeah, I'm going to try and hold the camera over it so you can see. So what we're going to do is just going to grab your chicken. It's already been cooked in the oven, gas mark 7 for about 30 minutes. Just going to dip it in your egg. This is only just so basically your crumbs will stick to it, if you know what I mean. I'm going to have to put the camera back down. So much harder. It's better with a camera person. And then just going to take your other hand just to get the mixture onto the chicken. Also you're going to want a fryer for this, frying, or a saucepan with oil in, just basically just to crispen up the outside. This isn't spicy. It might smell a bit spicy, but this one actually isn't. My niece has tried it and she's 5. So it's not really spicy. She don't eat spicy food. I've actually tried this. I've actually tested this before we filmed it. For a family birthday, and everyone seemed to fall in love with it. It's just quick and easy, really. The chicken thighs, I think they were like 12 chicken drumsticks, sorry, for like £4. I do apologise that my phone's ringing. Sorry about that. It was my sister phoning me. So yeah, as I was saying, the chicken drumsticks, they were actually £4 in Tesco's, and the mini chicken fillets were about £4.30. So it's not a dear thing. We try and keep all of our videos and as cheap as possible, really, for people that are sort of on a budget. Yeah, there's them. Just grab some of these in here. Just give them just a little light round in the egg. I do apologise for the quality of the video. I haven't got no one filming today. That again, just also, you can also like re-dip them again, but if you think there's not enough on it, it's just a quick way to show you. Also, it's a quick, easy meal. I know it's a lot easier to go out, obviously, to KFC and buy it, but there's nothing better than making your own, really, and just of being in the kitchen and cooking. It's really lovely. Straight like that. Get that one in there. You put the wrong hand in there. Straight in there like that. Just wash my hands. And here you have it on your plate, chicken, and then we bring it over here. Here's my phone out the way. Bring it over here. What we're going to do is just going to plop them into a boiling, this is very hot, just put them into your frying pan. Put the lid in there. And that's it, let them cook, and I'll show you guys the finished product in a minute. Alright guys, so after just finished with the deep fat fry, I've put them all in. And this is the finished product. Let's bring it over here, looks lighter. This is the finished product. Nice chicken fillets, mini. Your chicken drumstick. Oh, nice, quick. In about an hour, I would say. An hour and 20 minutes. That's to cook it in the oven. Put the mixture on. And then fry it in the fryer. Nice, quick, simple, easy meal. It tastes absolutely beautiful. You could have that with mash, chips, some beans on the side, and that is a delicious meal. This would probably feed 5 people easily, and it don't take long at all. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys soon with another video.